Palo-smile ka naman, oh.
Smiley po.
Kasi gagawa ka ng mga video para pag tanda mo, makikita mo to. Oh, motorcycle, oh. Wow.
Ano kaya plate number din para? Puro tayo NA, NAR, NPM, tsaka NOVA. Puro ka N.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat.
Nakita mo yung ilaw na
Moo.
Ay, sa baba.
A moo moo here and a moo moo there.
Sleepy ang baby.
Everywhere a moo.
Sorry na, anak.
Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Wala.
You make a sound like a cow? Moo. Moo. That's a fun sound.
Mag? Oh, mamaya. Ito nandito naman. Ay, Chujin! Wag na cry, baby.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go pa Esitex na. Hindi kaya delay yung puso.
I need an intervention, divine intervention. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a song.
Nakuha ata sa video. Ang galing, oh, umaatras sila. Ang galing, oh. Woot. Ano yun?
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story. Hold every speech. Can we just get straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice.
Primo! Primo! Primo!
Primo? Hoy! Tara na kayo ito. Prim. Kumya na play card. Ba't mo na wait lang. Pahinga muna tayo. Mamaya na play time. Ha? Mamaya na play time. Okay po. Okay ba yan?
Tayo.
Kaya mo yan.
Kayo ba pre, na-try nyo na? Kung ganun, kung ink, 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 may ink, ink. Poyo. Shh. Ha. Boogaboo. Ma-dance. Paulo, sit down. Come here. Anak.
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess we live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe.
Hanggang forever di tayo yun ang pag-uusapan natin.
Happy birthday, Jo. Hindi, nakalive ako.
Ay, nanay, inaantay na lang yan? Kunti na lang yan, ano?
Tapos, tiga dito sa Zubala, hindi mo alam. Rest ka ha, 2 minutes. Ay! Kailangan ko to! Ay, nablan mo dito.
Nakwak ikaw punta dito.
Wait lang.
Ay, fountain mo kami.
Okay.
Alam mo tayo si ate.
Can I see it?
That's camera.
Can I see it?
This is an AirPods.
AirPods. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
Nagtitake siya ng video. Come on, come on. Mag-smile ka dito. Oh.
Picture. Dito.
Ay, picture ko kayo. Wait, nag-video muna ako.
Maglulubog kami.
Oo nga, paano pipicture ang paglulubog? Lahat matatamaan.
Naman, hindi ako natamaan.
Lahat matatamaan. Ba't lumalayo kayo? Dapat dito kayo sa malapit.
Mukha ko. Mas spray sa mukha. Prima ako.
Ang name niya ay Di ba apat kayo? Dapat mag-play na lang kayo ng volleyball. Sila Patrick, sila Tin, sila ano, sila tayo. Ayan. Wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. So dyan, huwag ka na umatras. Bakit? Wow! Kaya mo na yan. Ano gagawin mo? Up, this is smile. E. Ang alon mo. Oh. So umaga talaga masarap. Ito ang resort ni Agamulak. Okay, Gerald. Ay, bakit Gerald yan?
Reminiscing of good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love.
Tingnan natin si Dog, come on.
What if I'm not good enough? split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist?